The pale blue dot, one among the billions of cosmic bodies in space, the one alone to be the nurturer of life. Our Earth, the pale blue dot. But not this blue dot. That's just a plastic cap, one of the trillions lying, rolling or floating around our planet. It's time, if not late, to bid this cap and its bottle farewell. Switch to something reusable. And while we're at it, let's say goodbye to all single-use plastic. So that when we talk of the pale blue dot, it's about the one that matters, our home.